Jasprit Bumrah from India took 24 test matches to surpass 100 test wickets. The spinner Mehdi Hasan Miraj from Bangladesh took 24 test matches to surpass a milestone of 100 test wickets. All-rounder from India Ravindra Jadeja took 24 test matches to surpass his 100 test wickets. Ryan Harris from Australia took 24 test matches to surpass 100 test wickets. Jason Gillespie took 24 test matches to reach his 100 test wickets. Graham Pollack struck 100 test wickets with 24 test matches. Lance Gibbs from West Indies took 24 test matches to reach his 100 test wickets. English spinner Graham Swan took 23 test matches to surpass a milestone of 100 test wickets. The fiery pacer Mitchell Johnson from Australia took 23 test matches to surpass 100 test wickets. Danish Kaneria from Pakistan took 23 test matches for 100 test wickets. Steve Harmison has taken 22 test matches for 100 test wickets. Shaklan Mushtaq surpassed 100 test wickets in just 23 test matches. Australian great Glenn McGrath took 23 test matches for 100 test wickets. Shane Warne took 23 test matches for his 100 test wickets milestone. D.L. Underwood from England took 23 test matches for his 100 test wickets. Venu Mankat from India has taken 23 test matches for 100 test wickets. For his 100 test wickets, Pragyan Ojha took 22 test matches. Alan Donald completed his 100 test wickets in 22 test matches. Kagiso Rabada from South Africa completed his 100 test wickets with 22 test matches. Jeff Thompson took 22 test matches for 100 test wickets. The great Australian bowler Dennis Lillee took 22 test matches for 100 test wickets. B.S. Chandrikar reached 100 test wickets in 22 test matches. The great Pakistani spinner Fazal Mahmood took 22 test matches for 100 test wickets. Subhash Gupte took 22 test matches for 100 test wickets milestone. Australian skipper Pat Cummins took 21 test matches to surpass 100 test wickets. Anil Kumble took 21 test matches for 100 test wickets. Ian Bishu took 21 test matches to surpass 100 test wickets. Pacer from Pakistan Waqar Younis took 21 test matches for 100 wicket milestone. Vernon Philander completed 100 test wickets with just 19 test matches. The mischief spinner from Pakistan Saeed Ajmal took 19 test matches to reach the milestone of 100 test wicket. Ian Botham from England took 19 test matches for 100 test wicket. Ravi Ashwin from India has taken just 18 test matches for 100 test wicket. Clary Grimmett from Australia took 17 test matches to complete his 100 test wicket. And the fastest ever bowler to reach a milestone of 100 test wicket is George Lohman from England with 16 test matches.